Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can transfer or export Google Chrome bookmarks from one computer to another. So the process will be very easy. Just please make sure that you finish watching this video till the very end. So the first thing we need to do is to open our Google Chrome browser, and to do that you can so once you're in here, all you need to do is just to click on this three dot icon here that you will find in the very top right corner. So please click on that and you will see bookmarks and lists option. So please click on that and you will see bookmark manager. Click on that again, and then here you will see beside the search bookmarks search tab, you will see a three dot icon. So please click on that, and you will be able to see options here like add new bookmark, add new folder, import bookmarks, or export bookmarks. So please click on the export bookmarks option. Once you do that, you will be able to see this window, this save as window here. So at the very left pane, please select or choose for the location that you want for this file, this HTML document to be put. So I will select desktop, and then I'll leave the file name as it is, as well as the save type or the type of the file, and then I'll just click on save. And then once I do that, I will go to my desktop. Let me just minimize this one, and I will be able to see the bookmarks for my browser. Okay, so I have here my bookmarks, and if you want this Microsoft Edge HTML document browser, bookmark, if you want this to be if you want to be transferred to another computer, all you need to do is to insert a hard drive and then paste this document to that hard drive, and you will be able to import this one to the uh, browser that you have in that computer. Okay, so that's it. That's a very simple and easy process. So if you think that this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.